Of course, real walking tours of Birmingham are strictly out of bounds during the coronavirus lockdown. Our tours of the city, we had 4 for 2020, we've had to refund everybody. They were based on the book Positively Birmingham, the best-selling book of the modern city, and what could we do? We decided to produce a virtual tour of Birmingham, a tour that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Our virtual tour of Birmingham looks at the history, the public art, the present day and the future aspirations of this great city. Tickets for Central Squares are totally free during our coronavirus lockdown. To order your tickets, go on the Positively Birmingham website and book your places. One day, of course, we will restart our real walking tours of the city centre, and that will be some great party to come along to. In the meantime, do enjoy our virtual walking tour and feedback on TripAdvisor on your virtual experience of Birmingham city centre.